Hello, it's Ryan from happytrader.io, and today I'm going to show you something. Today is Tuesday, November 14th, 2023. I'm going to show you another back test. This is going to be on triple leverage Nasdaq. This is the most traded ticker. Typically on any bullish scenario, this is going to be the one that if folks are trading stock, if folks have smaller accounts, stuff like that. So if you're a small account trader, you might want to watch this video. And we're going to go ahead and just pull up the strategy tester. We'll get right to it. And we are going to trade this one on the 3-minute chart. It's a little more volatile. We are going to make sure that our deep back test is set in TradingView, which is the #1 trading software and charting software out there. We aren't affiliated with them. We've just developed our product on their platform because we think it's great. And we're going to set this to the 14th and generate the report and see how we did. We need to set our parameters. So we're going to do 100% of equity with $1,000, and that's going to get us our trades. So we are going to see a very small drawdown of about maybe $50 there. And you can see a max drawdown of 26.78%. That's all the bad news there is. This is all great news. We have a percent profitables for winning 1 out of 3 trades, but the key is our winners are much bigger than our losers because of the strategy that we're using, which is our indicator, happytrader.io, sentiment AI with the Luma trend, available at happytrader.io. And you can see that on TQQQ, we started with $1,000. We used 100% of the equity, as you saw here. So we started with the $1,000, used 100% of the equity, so that is the entire account. And what is so great about TradingView is not only do you get this graph, so we're able to develop against this actually and improve and iterate Happy Trader Sentiment AI with the Luma trend to make sure that our customers are able to make more informed trades. But we're also able to see the actual list of trades, and you can see that the white trades that are profitable are outsizing the losing trades. So you can see just in the log there, right? You can also look at the performance summary and you can see what the net profit out the door was, right? So that does match what the overview is, so it's 84%. Now for context, the S&P 500 does between maybe 7 and 11% average annual return. Now that's not to say that that's not a safe way to invest. It just takes a lot longer. Now you can see that we have 255 closed trades. So you would need time to be able to day trade, and using a cash-only account would be the way that you could use $1,000 instead of the pattern day trade of requirement of $25,000. But we always recommend, because we don't manage any money, we're just teaching folks how to trade, but we're trading and back testing and developing up against real-time data, as you can see right here. And you can see that CBOE provides the data feed. And again, thanks CBOE, thanks TradingView. And we're able to produce this phenomenal indicator now. You can see that if we leave the strategy up, we minimize, and then we take away the indicator, you're kind of thinking, wow, how did it know to, what was going to be what, right? So it's making these decisions ahead of the price movement, where most indicators are making them lagging, right? So RSI, MACD, Heikin-Ashi, all of those popular ones that everybody likes to use. We're using things like sentiment, artificial intelligence, market internals, looking under the hood of the market. We're using advanced decline volumes. We're using put-call ratios, and we're putting them all into a beautiful concert that we have iterated over, back-tested on, and actually launched more than once on. So this is our second launch, and you can see that for ticker TQQQ, using a small account, you're looking at around 84%, and you can see everything right in the strategy tester, which is phenomenal. So let's pull that back up one more time, show you that beautiful graph. And of course, with something that's this volatile, you are going to get chop. That's just part of the game. Nothing goes straight up. But that's a quick video on triple leverage Nasdaq. Been getting some requests about that one because it is so heavily traded, especially by day traders and intraday traders. So we will go ahead and remove the strategy and just look at our clean indicator and just admire that for a second. And just to go over real quick, Happy Trader Sentiment AI with the Luma Trend is an indicator that we've developed. It's a private indicator. You do need to subscribe to it, but we're not here to sell you on it. We enjoy doing these videos and explaining and just showing these back tests. Now, on other videos, yes, we are selling the indicator outright, but this is not one of those videos. This was a back test that was requested, and you can see that with Happy Trader Sentiment AI with a Luma Trend, you'll get your buy and your sell signals that'll indicate the trend reversal or the potential trend reversal ahead of time, and then usually if you get a close uptrend to these buy signals, that's going to indicate a stronger amplitude, and we can actually stretch that out and see that we had a major gap up, right? And this was due to some CPI data or something economically, but we have built this based on technical analysis. We use a little bit of news, but we will not produce our overall signal with a heavy weight on news data, but we will be able to detect when our criteria points come into effect that we want to throw an uptrend or we want to throw a downtrend, and this is our best iteration yet. It works with any of the TradingView timeframes. So if you're more of a swing trader, you can get some of these beautiful long rallies, and you can also get things on the short side too. But this particular backtest is long only and just buying on the uptrend, selling on the downtrend. So again, hopefully this was informative in some way, shape, or form. My name is Ryan, the CEO and head quant here at happytrader.io. Have a great day and happy trading.